Most people have memories from school except some people that forget easily. What is your favorite memory from your school? I have two favorite memories. My favorite memory is fighting with my friends every break time when I was first grade. I like this memory because it is so clear when I think of it. He and I fight until another term started. We punched, kicked, and shouted loudly. We even flipped each other. I don't think it is precious to me, but I remember this all the time. My second favorite memory is my friend ripping my favorite book. Maybe I should call him betrayer. By the way, that was the end of my book, and I remember it when I think friend. This is not my favorite memory, but I can't think anything else. It was the most horrible day when I was second grade. This is the most favorite and unhappy memories I have from school. Thank you for listening.